Okay kids, welcome back to our live video. In this live video we can learn shape names and with colors, and we can learn colors names and colors and days in the week, months in the year, and we can fruit names also. So watch full video and please do like and subscribe. Shall we continue? Shall we start our video? Okay kids, first shapes. These are shapes these are six shapes we have. One is circle, second one is triangle, third one is pentagon, star, square, semicircle. Okay kids, again circle, triangle, pentagon, star, square, semicircle. And what about colors? Red color, yellow color, green color, blue color, dark green color, orange color. Okay kids, we learn shapes and colors. Now colors. Okay kids, see the colors. Colors: red color, red color, blue color, blue color, green color, green color, orange color, orange color, yellow color, yellow color, black color, black color, pink color, pink color, white color, white color. Okay kids, now fruit names. Kids, fruit names. Fruit: apple, apple, banana, banana, orange, orange, mango, mango, grapes, grapes, strawberry, strawberry, pineapple, pineapple, watermelon, watermelon. We learn 8 fruit names with fruit symbols. Okay kids, now days in a week, months in a year. Okay kids, first 1 week is equal to 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now 1 week was 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay kids, in this video we are learn days, years, colors, and fruit names, and finally shapes. If you learn something from this video, please like our video and subscribe our channel for get more videos, and see you on the next live video or video. Thank you for watching kids. Bye bye. Okay kids, in this video we are learning alphabets. Alphabets: A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Okay, kids, 26 alphabets. What next? Alphabets of capital letters and small letters with examples. Okay, kids, capital letters, small letters with examples. First, A. Sorry, kids. Capital A, small a for apple. Capital B, small b for banana. Capital C, small c for cat. Capital D, small d for dog. Capital E, small e for elephant. Capital G, small g for grapes. Capital H, small h for hen. Capital I, small I for ice cream. Capital J, small j for jug. Capital K, small k for kite. Capital L, small l for lion. Capital M, small m for monkey. Capital N, small n for nest. Capital O, small o for orange. Capital P, small p for parrot. Next, capital Q, small q for queen. Capital S, small s for star. Capital T, small t for train. Capital U, small u for umbrella. Capital V, small v for van. Capital W, small w for watch. Capital X, small x for X-ray. Capital Y, small y for willow. Capital Z, small z for zebra. Okay, kids, successfully we learn A to Z, capital letters, small letters with examples. Okay, kids, next